Welcome to our comparison of two leading dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K. In today's video, we'll dive into the features that set these two devices apart, including their recording capabilities, connectivity options, and overall value for money. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a balanced performance with its 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, while the TERUNSOUl impresses with its true 4K recording for both front and rear cameras. We'll also discuss their pricing, which reflects their respective feature sets, and help you determine which dashcam suits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to video resolution, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo captures stunning 2K footage at 60 frames per second for the front camera, providing smooth video playback. However, its rear camera is limited to 1080p. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K excels with true 4K recording for both front and rear cameras, ensuring maximum detail for capturing important evidence like license plates and road signs. This makes the TERUNSOUl a superior choice for those prioritizing image clarity. In terms of connectivity, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo features a built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is adequate but may be slower for transferring large files. On the other hand, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K boasts dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for faster video transfers and a more reliable connection to its mobile app. Both models include built-in GPS for logging speed and location, but the enhanced connectivity of the TERUNSOUl gives it an edge in this category. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, making it a budget-friendly option for those seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K comes with a higher price tag of $366, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the initial investment is greater for the TERUNSOUl, its advanced technology may justify the cost for users who require the highest quality footage. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K have their unique strengths. The VIOFO offers excellent value with its smooth 2K recording and reliable performance, while the TERUNSOUl stands out with its unmatched 4K resolution and advanced features. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these dashcams could be the perfect fit for your vehicle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.